Mobile data not working on iPhone fix. If your mobile data isn't working on your iPhone, don't worry, I'll show you some easy fixes to get it running again, so let's get started. First things first, let's refresh the network connection by simply toggling the airplane mode. Just swipe down from the top right corner and tap the airplane mode icon to turn it off. Make sure your mobile data is actually turned on. Go to settings and simply swipe and tap on cellular and ensure cellular data is turned on and scroll down to see if your apps have mobile data access. Sometimes a quick restart can fix network related issues. Press and hold the power button plus volume up or down button and simply slide to power off. Turn your phone back on and check if mobile data is working. A faulty SIM card connection can sometimes cause mobile data issue. Turn off your iPhone, remove the SIM card using a SIM ejector tool and reinsert the SIM and turn your iPhone back on. And that's it. These are the best ways to fix your iPhone's mobile data not working issue.